Hello everyone, I'm Anuj. Welcome to my channel. So, if you are preparing for automation testing interviews, especially with Cypress, then you are in right place. So, in this series, I will cover all the interview questions that candidates face in companies along with the clear and concise answers, which will help you to understand the concept very deeply. We'll go through the topics like Cypress architecture, folder structure, API testing, fixtures, custom command, retry mechanism, and apart from that, also we'll explain we'll discuss the real-time scenarios that you might face uh, in the interviews. And I'll also share some tips and tricky questions just for your best practices so that you can explain all the answers like a pro. So if it sounds very helpful, then please don't forget to go through all the upcoming videos which I'll upload in near future. Let's get started with our first question, that is, what is Cypress architecture? So as you can see in the picture in the screen, that this is the pictorial representation of Cypress architecture. So basically, Cypress architecture consists of two major components. One is the test runner, which will act as a front end, and second one is the Node.js, which will act as a backend server. So basically, this test runner will handle all the things which will happen from the browser level. So in short, it will handle all the browser related processes. And on the other hand, this Node.js will take care of all the processes which you need from the backend. So in short, this Cypress test runner like will handle all the stuff which you need to do from the browser level. What are those? You have to execute the automation code in the browser just to check the functionality is working fine or not. And on the other hand, the Node.js will take care of all the tasks which we do outside the browser, like reading or writing the file, do some configuration, taking the screenshot, saving the videos, and managing the test runner. So this both test runner and Node.js, that is a front end and back end, communicate with each other via a WebSocket communication to give a user-friendly experience to an automation tester to do that stuff very easily and proficiently. Okay, so I'll just open the test runner and also show you how exactly it used to automate the application in Cypress test runner. So as you can see in the screen, I've written a simple program that is I'm just opening the google.com and it will type hello in the search box. So when you'll hit in the terminal npx cypress open, then like a test runner will open, and when we'll click on the respective browser, it will start the test and uh, it will execute the test code, that the automation code which you have written in the JavaScript or TypeScript in the application. So as you can see over here, this is the test runner where it stores all the network API, you can say network parameters, APIs, and also the exact actions, everything in the left hand side panel. And in right side panel, you can see what are the actions you have written in the test code that is being performing over here. So that is the only reason why, because I said both test case execution and the application will run in a single event loop. So this is single event loop. So in single screen, everything is happening. So we understood what exactly the Cypress architecture is all about. So if you want to know like how should I exactly like answer this question in a proficient way, then I've just written down the thing in Word file. You can pause this video and you can go through how should you exactly uh, like answer so that the particular interviewer will get impressed. So like in this way you can answer. Okay, so that's it from the Cypress architecture. In the next video we'll discuss one more interview questions. So till then, goodbye.